Hi friends, welcome back once again to this discussion on the markets. Right now we are taking a look at the charts of Nifty and we are wondering how can we make some sense out of this whole scenario. Well, that's what I'm here for with you here today. And what I can see on the charts is that Nifty has managed to hold on to the Monday's low. And what we are seeing here on this expiry day is that it's the weekly expiry, and you can see here that the bulls are managing to come back into the game. Well, look, as I zoom in on today's chart, I can see here that there is a slight higher low being formed. You can see here this was the Monday fall, and then subsequently on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, there has been a higher low. When a price is trying to make a higher low, it is an indication of some recovery. And that's why you are seeing that the overall advanced decline ratio is favoring the bullish side. And that's why I'm sharing with you this chart, which talks about the Nifty bullishness once again coming back into the market space. Now, with the market showing some bullishness, yes, it is a time to look at some stocks which are exhibiting some signs of revival or some signs of strong continuation of the uptrend. So that's why I decided to focus on which sector is looking good for the day. That's how I analyze the markets and see which sector is looking good. And today, I found that the auto sector was showing quite a lot of positive breadth. And from the auto space, there are many stocks, but then I found that one of the most tracked and favored stocks is Tata Motors. So today we'll take a look at how to read the Tata Motors charts right now and try and understand some technical analysis concept from that. Okay, so let's get started and try and find out what exactly these charts have in store for us. So you can see here right now, I am having with me this particular chart of Tata Motors, which talks about the continuous pattern called as a rounding pattern. You can see here, this is a reversal pattern, and you can see here that this is a nice rounding formation which you can see on the charts, and then there is another small rounding. So this is called as a cup and handle pattern. This cup and handle pattern has not given a breakout yet. You can see here, this is a breakout zone. So you have not seen a breakout. But then when there is a continuous rounding being witnessed on the charts, they are signs of bullishness which one should not ignore. And that's why you can see here that it is showing a nice drive to the upside, and it can be definitely encashed. And now what we are going to see is on the intraday charts whether we are having some signs. So that's why I also have with me the intraday charts, and this is a 15-minute charts. And I thought that okay, let's try and take a look at what Tata Motors has in store for us. And from here, I see that there is a nice rounding formation once again. And if you take a look at this pattern, this is also called as a inverse head and shoulder. So a probable inverse head and shoulder breakout. So a move above 85 levels could take the stock all the way up to 90. So what we are looking at in Tata Motors is a very strong trended breakout. And if the markets were to show some continued upward traction, then you can expect that the charts of Tata Motors are going to give us some strong run to the upside. So this is what I have with me. You can see here the nice volume buildup which is happening on the intraday charts, and all this could help Tata Motors move towards the expected targets of 90. Well, this is what I had with me today as part of my on live trading session. And today, auto sector is doing really well. Along following up the auto sector is the auto ancillary. So I think that these two sectors should definitely be tracked for some market participation. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be coming up with more such market insights based on technical analysis so that you can benefit by watching these videos. Thank you so much for watching.